It's like the aliens. The aliens have landed. Can you imagine going up here with ox wagons?
No, almost not. Eh?
Wow.
There's a reason I didn't live in that time period.
Big structure. It must have been a house of some sort, or I don't know what.
I'm amazed always at how neatly the rocks have been stacked.
Incredible, though, eh? Wow. How beautiful is that? Yeah.
Amazing.
There we go. In the Tankwa Karoo National Park. Now we're crossing the border from the Northern Cape into the Western Cape. Boland boundary. Loads of old little mud houses. There as well.
There are quite a few, eh?
Quite a few of them.
And there's the kraal again. On the
Yes.
incline.
Interesting.
Some this side too. That
Yeah.
seems to be quite a big one. Wow, look at this.
But look at this beautiful place. I want to go inside, see if I can go inside one of them.
Okay.
This one's even got a fireplace. Inside, look at the back, you can see where the chimney is.
Yeah. This one was quite big too.
Yeah. Wow. I want to go see inside. Okay, you see, this is that mixed with clay and grass. Look how thick the walls are. Wow. Do you think people lived here? This must have been a kitchen. You can see this is where they made fire. The chimney going out. And this must have been the lounge. The front door. Incredible. The back door. Wow. There's some research to be done on this. Who lived here? What was this about? Incredible. This road is one of the worst roads we've been on.
One of them.
Yeah, it's the worst actually. The congregation is great.
Non-stop.
Thank you. These have to become one of our favorite animals to
It
see.
has,
Eh?
It absolutely has.
Hello, donkeys.
6 of them. Oh, they are so sweet.
Hello. Hello.
They look like young ones. Not that I'm an expert.
Hey. Hello. Hi. Come. Nah. I'm gonna do it again.
Okay.
We're having a discussion here. We're going to turn into a farm stall here, Tankwa Farm Stall. But look, it looks like a flying saucer crashed here in the Karoo.
I haven't been able to figure it out. It's not the only thing that crashed. The
There's
car
a car
came
as
with
well.
a flying saucer.
Yeah, or the flying saucer took the car out. Interesting, eh? So I've got a sense of humor. Man, it's open, let's go in.
Yeah, it's quite interesting.
It does, eh?
Werkswinkelbar.
This is literally in the middle of nowhere, eh? This is like a little oasis. Water. It's probably for you to just cool down in. This is pretty cool, eh? You just want to take a walk through?
Oh, you do that?
We have two groups now. We have Tankwa Karoo Tourism, where there's 11,000 members. And then we have the Tankwa Farm Stall group, where there's 9,600 members.
Oh,
so you're
wow.
welcome to share your link
Okay.
on our page.
Wonderful. We'll do that. Thank you.
We will. We just came through the national park.
And the road is bad. What happens? There was the flood damage. So what damage is really
Hello. A nice kitchen. Interesting stop, eh?
Yeah, very interesting.
Check, there's the UFO guys. You see them there?
Also known as aliens.
Alien guys, yeah. The Men in Black, where are they?
Oh, you're supposed to park there.
Wow.
Okay.
Interesting, eh? Check the aliens. The aliens have landed. Very interesting. Good idea, eh? Unique idea.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely unique.
Let's push through to our destination now.
Yeah, not too long to go, I think.
No.
It's been a tiring drive today.
Yeah, it has. That road was very bad.
So I look forward to arriving.
Yep.
I think it's going to be cool.
Yeah.
Judging by the pics. Look at the other side here.
Yeah. They're doing the Tankwa Camino hike. That's amazing.
I take my hat off to them.
That's
Honest.
fantastic. Oh, I'd love to do this. I don't want to dust them out either.
Yeah. Incredible.
And they're not young people, eh?
Well, not all of them are.
Yeah.
You can see they're tired.
Yeah.
Feet are sore.
Wow.
They all deserve medals. I hope they all get medals.
They do this for the fun over there. Check all the campers for the Tankwa Camino. This is fantastic.
Fantastic. In the middle of nowhere. Everyone has soft feet. Show, man.
That is brilliant.